Hi there, this is a brief screen recording showing initial provisioning of a PowerGenius network. Firstly, log into your account. Anyone who is working on provisioning is required to use their own account and not share their details. Click on the Resources tab and select Network. Search for the network number that you are going to be provisioning. Click on the name of that network and you'll be taken through to the network details page. Scroll down to the bottom until you find the Create Node section. A node represents a piece of hardware in the system. The first node we'll add is the gateway. Under type we pick gateway. The code in brackets is the model number of the device. For device we add the serial number on the packaging or on the gateway itself. Your current location will be automatically applied, or you can enter in the address. Click Save and the node is added to the network. The next node we'll add is the Power Management Module, or PMM for short. The serial number is on the packaging of the PMM box and also on the underside of the module itself. Profiles are the pre-selected settings based on how the site has been wired. For example, if the main switchboard has the solar feeding into it, a single PMM with grid plus solar profile can be used. If the solar feeds into a subboard, two PMMs will need to be used, one with a grid profile in the main switchboard and one with a solar profile in the subboard. For this example, we'll put in grid plus solar and we can change this later if need be. The PMM configuration page will appear with the settings from the selected profile. Since we have not physically installed the nodes yet, don't change anything and click on Back. You will be returned to the node home page, which shows you a list of the modules that will end up running on the PMM. Modules can be thought of similar to the apps running on your phone. Click on the name of the network to take you back to the network overview page where we can add our final node. For our hot water cylinder control, we'll be using the appliance controller 25 amp type. The device serial can be found on the outside of the enclosure or on a label on the PCB inside. For the profile, we'll select the single element. As with the PMM, once you save, you'll be taken to the configuration page, click back and you'll be taken to the module page, and then click the name of the network to take you back to the network summary page. And that's it. You have your 3 nodes provisioned, your gateway, your PMM, and your hot water controller, which is the appliance controller. The next step is to log into the dashboard using the same username and password, and to confirm that your 3 nodes have been added to the network. You can also go directly to this networks page by clicking on the link shown next to name. Go up to the search icon, click on network, and type in the name of the network that you're checking. Click on the network that comes up in the search area. The dashboard is where you can check that the network is working correctly and the power readings make sense. You can also access your dashboard from provisioning by going to Resources and the Dashboard link.